Okay, yesterday we worked through some division facts and being able to recall those quickly. But I wanted to take a moment today and break down really what our division is showing us. So I'm going to show a division problem, and then we're going to draw a picture so that we can really visualize what division is doing. And then we'll do our fact families at the bottom. So that way we can really understand the whole piece of division and what it really means. So we worked with dividing by 3 and dividing by 4. So I'm going to start with a dividing by 3. So I'm going to do 21 divided by 3. Okay, so 21 is my number that I'm breaking down. And I'm breaking it down into 3 equal groups. So because I'm making 3 equal groups, now this is not how I want you to solve every division problem, especially when we have those fact practices. But I want you to understand what 21 dividing by 3 is really asking you to do. So it's saying I have 21 things and I'm breaking them down into 3 equal groups. Okay, so I'm going to just start and I'm going to put something in a line in each group and I'm going to count as I do that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is guaranteeing that they're going to be equal. 7, 8, 9. I'm going to count until 21. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, when I do that and I make sure there's the exact same amount in each group, I have how many in each group? I have 7. Okay, now this is a fact family. So that tells me that if I make 21 divided by 7, it would equal 3. Would you agree with that? Well, let's try it out, okay? So now I'm going to make 7 circles. Okay, so I have my 7 circles. And now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put a line in each one, and we're going to see how many it is until I get to 21 equally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, so how many equal pieces are in each group? 3. So that is what division is asking us to do. It's saying if we divide something into this many groups, how many is going to be in each one? How many is going to be on each? Pretend these are cookies, okay? How many cookies are on each plate? So let's do our fact family. I don't know where my eraser went. Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm going to erase this one. I'll keep this original one up here. Okay, so we are going to start with our multiplication. I'm going to draw my triangle here. What number would go on the top? 21. That's that number. That's my largest number. Okay, and I'm going to do 3 and 7. That's what we had come up with. Of course, if we had swapped those, it would still be the same fact family. So I'm going to start with multiplication. 3 times 7. 3 times 7, what does that equal? 21. Okay, and 7 times 3. 7 times 3, what does that equal? 21. Now I'm going to do division. Now we already did the division sign, so I'm going to do the division line here. And what number has to go on top? The number I'm breaking down, so that'd be 21. 21 divided by 3. So let's go this way. 21 divided by 3 equals 7. And 21 divided by 7, let's go that way. 21 divided by 7 equals 3. So that's our fact family for 7, 3, and 21. Now let's do one that works with division by 4. Okay, I'm going to do 16 divided by 4. So that means I have 16 cookies and I'm evenly distributing them to 4 plates. So how many circles am I going to make? I'm going to make 4. Okay, now I'm going to do my lines again as I count to what number? 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I have 4 equal groups, and how many are in each group? 4. So that's actually a square number there. Okay, and there's not going to be an opposite of that because that is the square number. So if I were to divide 16 divided by 4, it'd look the exact same. It'd just be another 4. So now we have our fact family. And what number goes at the top? 16. Then I have 4 and 4, and this one looks a little different because it's a square number. So my fact family is going to have one multiplication problem. 4 times 4, and it equals 16. And then I'm going to do a division box, okay? Do you remember what number goes inside the box? That's 16. That's the number we're going to break down. To the left of the box, we're going to put 4. That's how many groups we're breaking it into, and our answer goes on top, 4. All right, I'm going to do one more with you, especially because since that one was a square number. Okay, this one is a division by 3 and by 4. Might have just given you the answer. Okay, 12 divided by 3. So I have 12 cookies. I'm dividing them between how many plates equally? 3. So I'm going to draw 3 circles. And let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what does it equal? How many cookies are in a plate? 4. Okay. So, like I said, it's division by 3 and 4. If I made this the opposite, 12 divided by 4, we know that this is a fact family and that would be 3. But let's just check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? I'm dividing 12 into 4 equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So does it equal 3? It does. Okay, let's make our triangle. 12 goes up here. I've got 3 and 4 down here. So for multiplication, I have 3 times 4 equals 12. And 4 times 3 equals 12. I'm going to do that division box again just so we can really feel comfortable in that. Okay, so 12 is the number I'm breaking up. I'm going to break it up by 3 first. 12 into 3 groups is 4. That's that first one. And then my division box again, 12 into 4 equal parts would be 3. Okay, so this was just a quick refresher on our division facts and really breaking down what is division. If we fully understand what division is, then when we're asked to do those fact practices and we know how the families relate to each other, then you have a better chance of understanding it and knowing those facts quickly.